For years, Apple has maintained a familiar four-model structure, but that might be changing. According to new reports, Apple is planning to retire the Plus model in 2025. Why? Well, users have increasingly favored either compact phones or premium flagships, leaving the Plus model somewhere in no man's land. In its place, Apple is expected to introduce a new model, the iPhone 17 Air, a slimmed-down, ultralight iPhone that's said to be just 5.5 millimeters thick. If true, this would make it one of the thinnest iPhones ever made, possibly thinner than even the legendary iPod Touch. iPhone 17 Air, sleek, thin and powerful. The iPhone 17 Air is Apple's answer to those craving a compact yet premium device. Despite its slim design, it won't compromise on power. Rumors suggest it will feature a 48MP Fusion camera on the back, the same powerful sensor found in Pro models, but in a single lens layout due to space limitations. This model might not be for hardcore mobile photographers, but it could be ideal for users who want a high-end iPhone experience in a minimalist form factor. Pro models, huge camera upgrades incoming. Now, let's talk about the heavyweights, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. According to multiple credible leaks, both Pro models will feature a trio of 48-megapixel sensors, including a main wide-angle lens, an ultra-wide lens, and a tetraprism telephoto lens that offers crystal-clear zoom with better light capture. This could make the iPhone 17 Pro Max one of the most powerful mobile cameras on the market. Expect improved low-light performance, better detail in portraits, and new AI-powered photo features powered by the A19 chip, Apple's expected next-gen silicon. iPhone 17 Standard A-balanced powerhouse. The regular iPhone 17 might not have all the bells and whistles of its Pro siblings, but it's no slouch either. It's rumored to pack a 48MP main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 24MP front-facing selfie camera, perfect for content creators, vloggers, and selfie lovers. Apple seems to be upgrading every model to make sure even base users get a premium experience. Leaked cases and early pre-orders? Just when you think it couldn't get crazier, popular Apple leaker Majin Buu recently shared photos of what appear to be official iPhone 17 series cases. The designs cover all four models, and surprisingly, they're already available for pre-order through direct messages on social platforms like X, formerly Twitter. While these aren't officially confirmed by Apple, Majin Buu's track record with Apple leaks is solid, making this leak hard to ignore. The case designs give us a sneak peek into the camera layouts, button placements, and even the ultra-slim profile of the Air model. Price predictions and global impact. In India, the iPhone 17 series is expected to start at 79,900 Indian rupees, though prices may go higher for the Pro variants. Global factors such as U.S. China trade tensions, increased manufacturing costs, and import duties from the Trump era could affect pricing worldwide, especially for markets like India and the UAE. The good news? Apple seems committed to its India manufacturing plans, ensuring faster availability and potentially reducing local production costs in the long term.